In 2021, I planted 51 sunflowers to act as a privacy hedge along our property line. And with warm weather quickly approaching, I know some of you are going to be looking for inexpensive privacy options. And if you have a full sun location, sunflowers are absolutely an awesome way to go. I planted 4 different varieties of sunflowers in this location, the tallest one being the Kong. I've grown all of these ones before, so I knew what to expect, but I recommend reading the back of your seed packets for information on their height and spacing and when to start your seeds. I bought these plastic containers off of Amazon so that I'd be able to start multiple seeds in each container and keep their lid on to act as a little greenhouse while they germinated. We drilled holes for drainage in the bottom of each of these containers, and this worked out perfectly because I get to use these containers for my sunflowers this year. A great thing about sunflowers is they germinate really quickly and will grow in almost any soil type. Keep that in mind when you choose to start your sunflowers, because if you start them when it's cold outside indoors, you could end up with leggy, weak sunflowers if they grow too fast. We hardened ours outside over the month of May and then put them in the ground at the end of May, when they were finally big enough to not get trampled by my dogs. And then starting them indoors is also great if you have a lot of critters in your area that are prone to eating seeds. We get a lot of chipmunks, so we've had a lot of success with letting them grow inside, establish themselves, and then move them outside. And then I add a little bit of fertilizer to each sunflower and then water them in. And then you wait. I'm going to make another video in the next few weeks as I start my sunflowers for this year. And I'm going to talk about watering habits and growth habits and spacing and everything like that that comes along with growing sunflowers. If you have specific questions, leave them below. No. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Again, this makes a great option for a privacy fence if you don't want to spend a lot of money on cedars or any kind of arborvitae. You can put these in. They do take a little while to reach their max height, but then once they reach it, they stay beautiful for quite a while, and the pollinators will absolutely thank you.